Hey everyone, it's David. Today I'm gonna upgrade this 6 years old laptop, which is quite slow, and then it's gonna be fun. But before we upgrade it, we're gonna check its benchmark so that we can compare its performance after the upgrading. Alright, let's get started. We're gonna check its benchmark with CPU G. It's 3550M, and the code name is Haswell, which means it's compatible with Intel's 4th generation CPUs. The graphics devices is Intel HD graphics, which is integrated. Alright, let's check its benchmark. The multi-thread score is 435.6 and a single one is 183.5. This is i7-4700MQ and theoretically it is 3 times faster than 3550M. Oh, it's beautiful. And it is a 4GB DDR3 RAM. Alright, let's get started. Put on gloves before you start, and it prevents cutting your fingers and short circuits from static. And of course, you have to remove the battery before you open it. Whoa, this is the inside. First of all, we're gonna install the RAM and it's quite easy. There's a notch on a RAM and a knob in a slot. Match them up and insert the RAM and push it down until you hear the click. It's quite easy, isn't it? And next, we have to remove the fan and the heat pipe to take the CPU off. Loosen the screws first and then unplug the fan connector. After that, remove the heat pipe, and when you loosen the screws, you better do it diagonally. Don't pull it hard, otherwise it'll be broken. gently wave and pull it. Wipe the solid compound out on a heat pipe. Unlock the socket and take the CPU up. Put a new CPU on a socket, matching the arrows on both the CPU and the socket. After that, lock the socket and apply some compound on the center of the processor. You don't need to spread it, because the heat pipe's gonna press it and spread it evenly. And now we're gonna reverse the whole process. Of course, in this time, plug the connector first. Done. Alright, let's turn it on. Good. Alright, let's run the CPU Z. You can see the CPU and the RAM are correctly recognized. And the integrated graphic devices has been changed. Alright, let's check the benchmark. Whoa, now it's 3 times faster than before. That's all for today. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like. Let me know in the comments down below whether you like this video or not and what you wanna see in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.